Say Lily
Lily
Potter.
Potter.
Say I, a sexy Potter.
Lily Potter.
You have a baby brother?
Yeah.
What's his name?
Yeah.
John
John
Potter.
Potter.
Good girl. Can you count to 5? 1,
1,
2, 3, 4. What's this? What's this? What did you make? Brownies?
No, chicken.
Candies? It's a chocolate brownie.
No.
Say chocolate brownie.
Chocolate.
Yay, what's this? What did Mommy give you?
Pop.
Pop. Good job. Can you say television? TV?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you love Daddy?
TV.
Yeah, do you love Daddy?
TV.
You want TV on? It is on, but we're taping for aunties and nanas and uncles.
Yeah.
Yeah. Is it my baby? So you be nice. My baby. Is it your baby brother? No?
No.
Well, earlier you were arguing with Nana over you don't like Pepsi, do you? That's Pepsi. Pepsi nummy or Pepsi yucky? Yucky?
Yucky.
Okay. Did you make brownies with Mommy?
Yeah.
Alright. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
You got anything else to say to the camera?
Yeah.
What?
Bye.